everyone. Welcome back to Speak Easy English, and I'm Luna.
And I'm Henry. If this is your first time here, we are really happy you found us.
We help you speak real, everyday English in North America.
Step by step, with simple words and real-life situations.
Today, we are talking about something fun.
Buying shoes.
Maybe you just moved to the United States.
Maybe you need new sneakers for work or school.
Or maybe you just want a pair of Nike shoes.
And you walk into a Nike store or Foot Locker.
And suddenly, you feel nervous.
So many shoes, so many sizes.
And the staff comes to you and says, "Can I help you?"
And your mind goes blank.
I remember my first time at Foot Locker in New York.
Same here. I did not know how to ask for my size.
I kept thinking, what if I say it wrong?
But guess what? You only need simple English.
Today, we will guide you step by step.
Walking into the store,
Asking for your size,
trying on shoes,
talking about price,
paying at the register.
and even returning shoes if they do not fit.
We will go slowly,
We will repeat important sentences.
and you can practice with us.
So imagine this.
You are at a Nike store in Los Angeles.
The music is playing,
Shoes are on the wall.
and you are ready to buy your first pair.
Do not worry.
We will do it together.
Step by step.
Let us start by walking into the store.
You push the door open and walk into the Nike store.
A staff member smiles at you.
They say, "Hello, how can I help you today?"
You can answer in a simple way.
Let us practice a full conversation.
I will be the customer.
And I will be the Nike staff. Hello, how can I?
Sure. Do you have a brand in mind?
I like Nike.
Great. Are these for running or everyday wear?
For running.
Perfect. Let me show you some options.
That conversation was simple.
Yes, very simple.
Now let us break it down.
First useful sentence.
I am looking for running shoes.
Repeat after us.
I am looking for running shoes.
If you want basketball shoes, say,
I am looking for basketball shoes.
if you are just browsing, say,
I am just looking, thank you.
that is very common in the US.
Staff often ask if you need help.
You do not need long sentences.
Short and clear is enough.
In American stores like Foot Locker, staff are friendly.
They may ask about your purpose.
Running or gym or casual wear.
Casual means every day.
Very important word.
Now you feel more confident walking in.
Next, we will talk about asking for your size.
That is where many newcomers feel nervous.
But we will make it easy.
Now let us talk about sizes in American shoe stores.
This is where many people feel unsure.
In the United States, shoe sizes use numbers like 7, 8, 9, 10.
And there is a difference between men's sizes and women's sizes.
Let us practice a real situation at Foot Locker.
I will be the staff.
And I will be the customer.
Hi there. What size are you looking for?
I wear size 8.
Is that men's or women's?
Women's size 8.
Let me check if we have that in stock.
Thank you.
We have size 8 and size 8.5.
I would like to try size 8, please.
Sure, I will bring it for you.
That conversation was simple.
Yes, very natural in the US.
Let us break it down.
First important sentence.
I wear size 8.
Repeat after us.
I wear size 8.
If you are not sure, you can say,
I usually wear size 9.
usually means most of the time.
Another helpful sentence.
Do you have this in size 8?
Repeat together.
Do you have this in size 8?
In Nike stores, staff may also ask about width.
Yes, some shoes come in regular or wide.
If you need a wider shoe, you can say,
Do you have this in wide?
very useful sentence.
In the US, men's sizes are different from women's sizes.
For example, women's size 8 is not the same as men's size 8.
So always say men's or women's.
If you are shopping for someone else, you can say,
I am buying this for my son.
or
It is for my daughter.
staff may ask how it fits.
They might say, Does it fit well?
Fit means comfortable and correct size.
If it is tight, say,
It feels tight.
If it is loose, say,
It feels loose.
very important words.
In American stores, staff often bring shoes from the back room.
So you may need to wait a few minutes.
You can say thank you while waiting.
Small, polite words are powerful.
Now you feel more confident asking about sizes.
Next, we will talk about trying on shoes.
Yes, walking around and checking comfort.
That is very important before paying.
When you sit down to try the shoes, take your time.
Yes, do not rush this part.
Trying on shoes is very important.
Comfort matters more than style.
Let us practice a real situation inside a Nike store.
I will be the staff.
And I will be the customer.
Here is size 8. You can try it on.
Thank you.
How does it feel?
It feels a little tight.
Would you like to try size 8.5?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
This one feels better.
Great. Try walking around the store.
Okay.
How does it feel now?
It feels comfortable.
Perfect.
That was very natural.
Yes, this happens every day in American shoe stores.
Let us break it down.
First useful sentence.
It feels tight.
Repeat after us.
It feels tight.
Tight means too small.
If it is too big, say,
It feels loose.
repeat together.
It feels loose.
Another important sentence.
It feels comfortable.
Comfortable means it feels good on your feet.
Staff often tell you to walk around.
Walking helps you check the fit.
If you need more time, you can say,
I need a few minutes.
very simple and polite.
In Foot Locker, staff may also ask.
Are you using these for sports?
If yes, say.
Yes, for running.
If not, say.
No, just for everyday wear.
In the United States, many people try both shoes.
Always try both left and right.
Sometimes one foot is slightly bigger.
That is normal.
If the shoe rubs your heel, say.
It rubs my heel.
If it feels narrow, say.
It feels narrow.
Narrow means not wide enough.
Very useful word.
If you decide not to buy it, say.
I think I will pass on this one.
Pass means you do not want it.
Staff understand this phrase.
If you like it, say.
I will take this pair.
Repeat after us.
I will take this pair.
That sentence is powerful.
Now you are ready to talk about price.
Yes, because sometimes the price surprises you.
Let us talk about that next. Now let us talk about price and discounts.
Yes, this is very important in Nike and Foot Locker stores.
Sometimes the price is higher than you expect.
Do not be afraid to ask questions.
Let us practice a real situation.
I will be the customer.
And I will be the Foot Locker staff. The price for this pair is $120.
Oh, okay. Is there any discount?
Let me check. Yes, there is a 10% discount today.
That's great.
With the discount, the price is $108.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was simple.
Yes, let us break it down.
First, useful question.
Is there any discount?
Repeat after us.
Is there any discount?
Another question you can ask.
Is this on sale?
Repeat together.
Is this on sale?
Sale means a lower price for a short time.
In the United States, many stores have seasonal sales.
Like back to school or Black Friday.
Black Friday is a big shopping day in November.
If you are a student, you can ask.
Do you offer student discounts?
Very helpful question.
Some Nike stores offer member rewards.
Member means you sign up for free.
You can ask.
Can I sign up for rewards?
Sometimes the staff may say,
The discount will be applied at checkout.
applied means added automatically.
If the price feels too high, you can say,
That's a bit expensive.
but say it politely.
Yes, always keep a friendly tone.
If you decide not to buy because of price, you can say,
I will think about it.
That is very common in American stores.
Staff understand that sentence.
You do not need to explain too much.
Short and polite works best.
Now you know how to talk about price.
Next, we will talk about paying at the register.
Yes, the final step before you leave the store.
Let us practice that next.
Now let us talk more about comfort and fit.
Yes, because shoes are not only about size.
They are about support and feeling.
Especially if you run or stand all day.
Let us practice a situation at a Nike store.
I will be the staff.
And I will be the customer.
How does the shoe feel?
It feels good, but I need more support.
Is this for running?
Yes, I run 3 times a week.
Then you may need a running shoe with more cushion.
What does cushion mean?
Cushion means soft support inside the shoe.
I see.
Try this model. It has extrusion.
Okay, thank you.
Walk around and see how it feels.
This feels much better.
Great.
Let us break it down.
First useful sentence.
I need more support.
Repeat after us.
I need more support.
Support means help for your feet.
Another useful word is cushion.
Cushion means soft inside.
If the shoe feels hard, you can say.
It feels too hard.
If it feels heavy, say.
It feels heavy.
Some shoes are light.
Light means not heavy.
Very helpful word.
If you stand all day at work, say,
I stand all day at work.
staff can recommend better options.
In American stores, staff often ask about your activity.
Running, walking, gym, or basketball.
If you need arch support, you can say.
I need arch support.
Arch is the middle part of your foot.
Very useful word.
Comfort is more important than color.
Yes, your feet matter.
Now you know how to talk about comfort clearly.
Next, we will move to the cash register.
Yes, time to pay for your new shoes.
Let us practice that next. Now you walk to the cash register with your shoes.
This is the final step before you leave the store.
Let us practice a real situation at Foot Locker.
I will be the customer.
And I will be the cashier. Hi there. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Your total is $108.
Okay.
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by card.
Please insert or tap your card.
Sure.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
That was very smooth.
Yes, let us break it down.
First important question.
How would you like to pay?
Repeat after us.
How would you like to pay?
If you use a credit card, say.
I will pay by card.
If you use cash, say.
I will pay in cash.
In many U.S. stores, you can tap your card.
Tap means touch the machine with your card.
Another common question.
Would you like a receipt?
Receipt is important for returns.
Always keep your receipt.
If you want it emailed, you can say.
Email is fine.
Very simple.
In the United States, tax is added at checkout.
So the final price may be higher than the tag.
That is normal.
Now you know how to pay confidently.
Next, we will talk about returning or exchanging shoes.
Yes, just in case they do not fit at home.
Let us practice that next.
Sometimes you get home and the shoes do not feel right.
Yes, maybe they feel too tight after wearing them longer.
Or maybe the size is not correct.
Let us practice returning shoes at Nike.
I will be the customer.
And I will be the staff. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to exchange these shoes.
Sure. What seems to be the problem?
They feel too small.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Would you like a different size?
Yes, I would like size 9 instead.
No problem. Let me check if we have it.
Thank you.
We have size 9 in stock.
That's great.
Let us break it down.
First important sentence.
I would like to exchange these shoes.
Repeat after us.
I would like to exchange these shoes.
If you want your money back, say.
I would like a refund, please.
Always bring your receipt.
And keep the shoes clean.
Many American stores accept returns within 30 days.
But check the return policy first.
If they ask why, say.
They feel too tight.
Or.
They do not fit well.
Very simple and clear.
Now you know how to return or exchange shoes.
Next, we will talk about buying shoes online.
Yes, many people shop online in the US.
Let us practice that next.
Many people in the United States buy shoes online.
Yes, shopping online is very common.
You can order from Nike.com or Footlocker.com.
But sometimes the size is tricky.
Let us practice a situation online.
I will be the customer.
And I will explain the website steps. First, choose the shoe you like.
Then choose your size.
Make sure you select men's or women's.
Then add it to your cart.
Cart means your shopping list.
After that, go to checkout.
At checkout, you enter your address.
And your payment information.
The website may ask,
would you like to create an account?
You can say yes or skip.
If the size does not fit later, you can return it.
Many US stores offer free returns online.
That is very helpful.
If you are not sure about size, check the size chart.
Size chart shows measurements.
Measure your foot in inches or centimeters.
Inches are common in the US.
In Canada, centimeters are also used.
If you need help, you can contact customer service.
You can say,
I need help with my order.
or,
I want to return my online order.
very simple sentences.
Online shopping is convenient,
But always read the return policy.
especially for sale items.
Now you understand online shoe shopping.
Next, we will do a full role-play review.
Yes, we will practice everything together.
From walking into the store to paying. Now let us put everything together in one full situation.
Yes, from walking into Nike to paying at the register.
I will start as the customer.
And I will be the Nike staff. Hello, welcome to Nike. How can I help you today?
Hi, I am looking for running shoes.